The problem of ocean rubbish is much worse than previously thought, and turtles are one of the big casualties, according to a report from environmental group Earthwatch Australia. The report, Turtles in Trouble, found that over a third of sea turtles are affected by marine garbage, particularly soft plastics like bags and cling film, which they try to eat thinking it's jellyfish, and 17 times more turtles die because of plastic than earlier estimates. Dr. Kathy Townsend is a marine scientist with the University of Queensland.
So the work that I've been doing in Queensland is looking at the impact of ingested marine debris on sea turtles. And when I started this project, it looked like it wasn't necessarily a big issue, but quite to my surprise, after having spent the last 4 years and doing well over 100 necropsies, discovered that the animals that I was looking at, over 30% of these animals are having so much ingested marine debris within their gut that is the primary cause of death.
And where are those plastics coming from? Are they coming from boats in the ocean, or is it coming from the land?
Well, it's basically 50-50. In our Australian waters, the 50% is coming from the land, and the other 50% is coming from boats.
And it's the soft plastic which is the problem, because that's the stuff that turtles are attracted to, because they think it's food. Is that right?
That's correct. Some of the work that I was doing is I was comparing what types of debris were available in the environment, and then comparing that to the types of debris that we were finding in the guts of the turtle. And quite to our surprise, we were finding that the animals were consuming more of these soft film-like plastics, which are things like your plastic bags and your cellophane and those sorts of things, above and beyond what was actually available in the environment. So to me, this is indicating that these animals may be making some sort of choice in the types of the debris they're consuming, which is now bringing us into new questions about the behavior and their feeding ecology.
Is there something that can be done to stop the plastics getting into the ocean in the first place, or that seems to be a hard thing to tackle?
Yeah, well, definitely. I mean, we really need to approach this in a multi-pronged way. We need to reduce the amount of debris that's getting into the oceans in the first place. We need to clean up the debris that's out there as it is, and try to reduce the impacts of these sorts of things. So kind of, look at the types of debris that we're generating and try to make them so that they're not having such a big impact.
Dr. Kathy Townsend, thank you.
Not a problem. Thank you.